Hello everyone, T-Zilla. Welcome back to my channel. How's everyone doing? I am back again on YouTube. And today, I have another figure to review. It's another Ultra Kaiju. It's Black King from the Return of Ultraman. Let's go into detail. Detail on the figure is really nice. I like how they sculpted his head. Really nicely spot on. Like the spike, the horn on his head. Got some spike on his back, on his tail. And I like how the arms are nicely sculpted. Claws, nails, toenails. Legs, you got all these bumpy ridges on the legs. Very interesting. Got some on the arm too. And the back is nicely sculpted and it is nicely painted. I like that green highlight on the back. And I like how the spikes are painted. You got that yellow on his spike, to the tail, on his back, and there we go, on his horn. And then you got that yellow teeth. They're supposed to be white, but I really don't mind that. They look okay. And I like how the eyes are painted. Got that red pupil. And I like the paint job all over Black King's entire body. Looks really nice. His horn is scuffed, but I can paint that. Nails are painted. Same with the toenails. Underside. Come on, focus. There we go. Bandai. 1983. That's detail. Articulation. Arms can rotate 360. Legs, of course, can rotate all the way around. That's 4 points of articulation. That's articulation. He's got 4. Tail is a glue seal. Now size comparison. Here's Ultraman Jack. And sizing does look pretty good. Jack is shorter. Jack is way shorter than Black King, so this looks good. Excellent. Now let's compare him with Earthtron. I did a review on this guy. If you haven't seen it, I will link it in the description down below. Okay. Gamora. Rheonyx Burst Gamora. Red King. Let's compare him with Godzilla, the 1974 Godzilla. I have not pulled out this guy in a while. Looks pretty good. I think Black King should be a little bit taller. He should be about this big. But it looks good. So that was my review for today and my final thoughts. This figure is pretty cool and I really like the design of Black King. Black King is one of my favorite Ultra Kaiju. And I'm really happy to add a Black King figure in my collection. If you're a big fan of Black King, if you're an Ultra fan and you really like this monster, go ahead and get him. Detail looks amazing, paint job looks good. Articulation, both arms and legs move. So the figure itself is going to get a 10 out of 10. In my own opinion, I think it's a pretty cool figure and I really like it and I'm really happy to have it. So that's my review for today. Thank you all so much for watching my content. You all are awesome. I really do appreciate it. If you like what you see, make sure to hit that like, subscribe button, and comment down below. And I will see you all in the next video. See ya!